We are Team 20, Pineapple Prodigy, and our goal is to solve the game of Pineapple using game theory, probability, and machine learning, and create a bot that plays optimally and helps other players learn to do the same. Our team consists of Anthony Rodriguez, Andrew Connors, and Ian Masters. Professor Santosh Venkatesh is our project advisor. The card game of Pineapple is a variant of a game called open-faced Chinese poker. It is typically played with 2 players, where each player has a board with 13 spots and 3 rows. The bottom and middle row have 5 spots, and the top row has 3 spots. The goal of the game is to make strong poker hands in each row without fouling. Fouling is when you do not have hands of increasing strength as you move from the top to the middle to the bottom row. In the first round, each player is dealt 5 cards and must place all 5. In the subsequent rounds, each player receives 3 cards and must place 2 and discard 1. It is worth noting that one's opponent can see your board, but not your discard pile. The hand ends when both boards are filled. Scoring then occurs. Each row is compared to the corresponding row of one's opponent, and bonuses are awarded accordingly. 1 point is awarded for winning a row, and 3 points are awarded for winning all 3 rows. You receive bonus points called royalty points for exceptionally strong hands in each row. If you achieve a pair of queens or better in the top row without fouling, then you enter Fantasyland, which is a phase in the game that affects only the immediate hand following. You are dealt 14 cards all at once and place 13, allowing for perfect play. The goal of the game is to win points. These often have associated monetary value. Here we see a player playing a hand of Pineapple. You can see both his board and his discard pile, but only his board is visible to his opponent. At the end of the hand, scoring takes place, and he is awarded royalties, as you see on the left of each row. Since he has queens or better in the top row, and doesn't foul, he would enter said Fantasyland, where he would get all of his cards at once on the next turn, and would have an advantage over his opponent for that hand. From the web app, we will store hand-by-hand data to use for analysis of the middle streets and to hone our machine learning solutions. Our goal is to reach 6.5 royalties per hand, which would rank our bot highly among professionals worldwide. This semester, we have performed analysis on the starting hands and on the last 2 rounds of play. We have also developed a web application and created a bot. In the spring semester, we plan on implementing machine learning to solve the middle rounds of action and wish to improve the functionality and utility of our web app.